Mastering formal salutations, using appropriate titles. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the realm of formal salutations, focusing particularly on the usage of appropriate titles like Mr., Mrs., Dr., and more. This is an essential skill in writing formal emails or letters. Formal salutations are polite expressions we use to greet or address someone in a formal situation. They are an integral part of written communication, particularly in letters and emails. Choosing the right salutation shows respect and professionalism, so it's crucial to understand when and how to use them correctly. Titles are a key part of formal salutations. They indicate the gender, marital status, or professional status of the individual you're addressing. Here are a few common titles and when to use them. Mr. Use this for a man, regardless of marital status. Mrs. Use this for a married woman or a woman who has been married in the past. Miss. Use this for an unmarried woman. Ms. Use this for a woman, regardless of marital status. Doctor. Use this for a person who holds a doctoral degree or is a medical doctor. Professor. Use this for a person who is a professor. Remember, when in doubt, it's usually safer to use a more formal title. When writing a formal salutation, it's important to include both the title and the person's surname. For example, if you're writing to a man named John Doe, you would start your email or letter with, "Dear Mr. Doe." It's also important to note that using just the first name after the title, such as, "Dear Mr. John," is not correct in formal English. In email communication, it's especially important to use formal salutations when you're corresponding with someone for the first time, or when the situation requires a degree of formality. In general, if you're unsure whether a situation requires a formal salutation, it's better to err on the side of formality. It's easier to transition to a less formal tone once a relationship has been established than to recover from an impression of being too casual or disrespectful. And that's a wrap on using appropriate titles in formal salutations. Remember, the key is to match the title with the person you're addressing, and when in doubt, always choose to be more formal. Your professionalism and respect for others will shine through in your written communication. I hope this video has been informative and helpful to you. Keep practicing, and you'll soon master the art of formal salutations. See you in the next video.